Hello everyone, it's Donal Ward McCarthy here, Principal with 311 Realty, bringing you your update for Bloordale Village for March of 2025. Now, an interesting month and interesting times indeed for all of us, and it reflected in what was going on in our real estate market, both locally as well as across the GTA. So here we go, property listed late February into early March, before kind of we knew if indeed the tariffs were going to come into place. So multiple offers were working. So property 664 Brock Avenue here, detached, was listed, it was listed low to hopefully generate enough viewings and get multiple offers. And indeed it got 5 offers. It was listed at 1.2, sold 13% above asking in 7 days on offer night, and sold for 135. 2.5 story home there. So in my opinion, that was the start of the month. It was still kind of typical of what you'd normally see in the early spring months, late winter months. And then what happened was on the 4th of March, we were told that indeed tariffs were coming into effect. And we had other properties that were then going to attempt that multiple offer strategy, and they were backfiring, a couple of them, including this other one, 24 Emerson Avenue. Now, this was listed also at 1.2 million. They had an offer night and it backfired. They didn't get enough offers to generate what they wanted. So then they relisted, they took it off the market, listed at 1439, and they sold in 3 days for 1.4 million. So we'd seen that happen quite another property on St. Clarence as well too. 567 St. Clarence has also backfired in terms of multiple offers and came off and relisted at a higher price. In terms of condos, there were 4 condo sales, 3 of which were in the 816 Lansdowne building, and then the last one was in the 1410 DuPont. And I guess, you can reach out to us and we can send these to you, but the main point is I want to touch on smaller units always get a higher dollar per square foot. So indeed, this unit here, unit 115 at 816 Lansdowne, sold for about $820 per square foot. And then a larger unit at 1410 DuPont sold for $735 per square foot. So as a unit gets bigger, that latter unit was 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, the dollar per square foot comes down. So condos really are doing okay in this neighborhood. They're kind of holding their own. But of course, as we know across the GTA, condos and townhome condos are down to a margin from last year at the same time. So there you have it, folks. It's your update for Bloordale Village for March of 2025. Looking forward to updating you next month as well too on what's going on. As always, do watch our general GTA/Toronto update on what's happening and what we foresee possibly happening in the future in regards to our housing market. Okay, thanks so much for your time. As always, folks, Donal Ward McCarthy here, 311 Realty. Take care. Bye.